Hey there, in today's video, we are going to learn hard vocabularies. I will explain meaning, synonyms, and how to use that word in sentence. So let's start the learning. Ameliorate. Meaning, to make something better or improve. Synonyms, improve, enhance, mitigate. Sentence, implementing new software can ameliorate the efficiency of our bookkeeping processes. Obfuscate. Meaning, to make something unclear or difficult to understand. Synonyms, confuse, obscure, complicate. Sentence, using too much can obfuscate the information we are trying to convey to our audience. Proclivity. Meaning, a tendency to choose or do something regularly, an inclination or predisposition. Synonyms, tendency, inclination, propensity. Sentence, she has a proclivity for using creative editing techniques in her YouTube videos. Ephemeral. Meaning, lasting for a very short time. Synonyms, short-lived, fleeting, transitory. Sentence, the ephemeral nature of social media trends means content creators must constantly innovate. Cogent. Meaning, clear, logical, and convincing. Synonyms, persuasive, compelling, convincing. Sentence, his cogent explanation of the software's features helped the team understand its benefits. Esoteric. Meaning, intended for or likely to be understood by only a small number of people with a specialized knowledge or interest. Synonyms, obscure, arcane, abstruse. Sentence, the tutorial covered some esoteric aspects of bookkeeping that only experienced accountants would appreciate. Voracious. Meaning, having a very eager approach to an activity. Synonyms, insatiable, avid, enthusiastic. Sentence, she has a voracious appetite for learning new video editing techniques. Ostentatious. Meaning, characterized by vulgar or pretentious display, designed to impress or attract notice. Synonyms, showy, flamboyant, pretentious. Sentence, his ostentatious display of wealth in the video didn't resonate well with the audience. Quintessential. Meaning, representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. Synonyms, typical, archetypal, exemplary. Sentence, her latest video is the quintessential example of how to create engaging content on YouTube. Recalcitrant. Meaning, having an obstinately uncooperative attitude towards authority or discipline. Synonyms, uncooperative, defiant, rebellious. Sentence, the recalcitrant software refused to work properly, causing delays in the project. I hope you liked this video. Stay connected to our channel Upgradedzero. Kindly like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.